Greetings, my lovely people. In today's class, we are really going to touch colors. Colors, colors, colors. Colors is a beautiful thing, and we are really going to know about it in Igbo today. Do you care to know what colors are in Igbo? Dive into the video, stay tuned to the end, and watch the end. Let's go. Greetings, my lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your lady Estina. Guys, in today's episode, we are going to touch colors. What do colors simply means in Igbo? Color simply means agba. Agba. Agba di iche iche na Igbo. So we are going to look at different colors in Igbo today. So guys, we really want to know all the colors or some colors. I may say in Igbo. Ndị ọma, abịa n'asụsụ Igbo n'ihe gbasara agba ịkọwa ihe na-acha ka ya, ihe ị nwere ike ikwu bụ na ọ na-acha ọ na-acha. Ọtụtụ ndị anaghị asị agba dị otu a, mana ị nwere ike ikwu bụ na ọ na-acha. Mana color itself, color simply means agba. But when you are referring to the something, as in na ihe a na-acha ka, ihe ọ na-acha ka ya dị ka bụ ihe dị otu a, mgbe ahụ ka ị nwere ike isi ọ na-acha. So Ocha is referring to colors, but the word color itself is agba. Okay, is that clear? So let's go now to the different colors we have, and I will be giving examples as I mention it, writing it out there, giving examples and so on. Okay, white is a popular color that everybody know. Ocha. Ọ na-acha ọcha. Ọ na-acha ọcha, that means it is white. It is white. Akwa ahụ na-acha ọcha. That cloth is white. That cloth is white. Ọ na-acha ọcha. That is white is Ocha. Okay, let's go. Oji, black, oji. Ọ na-eji oji. You see, ite ahụ na-eji nji, kpọkwana ya nji maọbụ oji, but oji is the central Igbo, and nji, I may say, is dialect. Like you see now, ite ahụ na-eji nji. That pot is black. The pot is black. Red, uhie nwere ike ịkpọ ya uhie maọbụ ọbara maọbụ mmemme is the same thing with ọbara. So they refer to it as red, red color. Mmemme maọbụ ọbara maọbụ uhie, but red simply means uhie. You can simply say red uhie, but when referring to other things that it is red, because blood is one thing that they know that it is popularly red, you can also refer to it as ọbara maọbụ mmemme. Akwa na-acha ọbara. Akwa na-acha ọbara maọbụ mmemme. Akwa ahụ na-acha mmemme. That means this cloth is red, that cloth is red. The cloth is red, that's the cloth is red. Ọ na-acha mmemme is red. Ọ na-acha ọbara. Ma enwekwara ike isi akwa ahụ na-acha uhie. Simple. That's just what. But red, you can simply say red is uhie. But because those things are popularly red thing, and is being referred to as ọbara or uhie, mmemme. Okay. Yellow simply means edo. Iko iko ahụ na-acha edo edo. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha edo edo. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha edo edo, which means that cup is yellow. Give me that cup that it is yellow. Give me the yellow cup. Give me the yellow cup. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha uhie, edo edo. Okay, let's go. Blue. Do you know what blue color is? This is one that's even me, because I really researched. I went on to research a lot, because for me to, I really love to give. When I'm giving information out there, that I am giving out the right information for learners, so that they're taking the right thing. So before now, I know blue, but we don't often use it. We don't use it often, or we don't even, and in that sense, we may even forget or have forgotten. So blue is called anono. Anono. Iko ahụ na-acha anụnụ anụnụ. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha anụnụ anụnụ. Wetere m iko ahụ na-acha anụnụ anụnụ. That means, give me the cup that it is blue. Bring that cup that it is blue for me. Anono. Anono simply means blue. Blue. Green. Green. Ndo. Ndo. This may be simply because green is as in, you make it where akwụkwọ ndụ can refer to something green as akwụkwọ ndụ or ndụ. That's because green leaf or green vegetable that is green, normally know it as green, and it's just being referred to as fresh, as in the fresh leaf. You can just refer to it as green. So when you are referring to something green in Igbo, you can simply say, give me that green bucket. Give me that green pen. Give me that green cup or plate. You can say, nye m iko ahụ na-acha ndụ ndụ. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha ndụ ndụ, maọbụ nye m akwụkwọ ahụ na-acha akwụkwọ ndụ. Which means, give me that book that it is green in color. Ọ na-acha, that the book is green in color. Okay? So, ndụ. Nye m uwe ahụ na-acha ndụ ndụ. Yinye uwe ahụ na-acha ndụ ndụ. Wear the cloth that it is green. Or bring the cloth that it is green. Okay, lovely people, have you watched to this extent? Have you gotten any value in this video? Guys, what are you waiting for? Give a thumbs up to the video. It encourages me. Like, share, invite friends. What are you waiting for? And the red subscription button there, have you touched it? Go on, do that. Touch it, guys. Touch it is really part of making this channel to grow, and it encourages me to come out here to know that I am adding value to someone's life, or people who really want to learn this language with me. Be part of something good. Let's keep going. Okay. Gold. Gold is Ola. Ola edo. Ola edo. Wetere m iko ahụ na-acha ọla edo. This is simple. So all you need to know is just to know the colors itself, and there you go. For repeating it, it's very, very simple. Nye m iko ahụ na-acha ọla edo. Silver. Silver. Ọla ọcha. Ọla ọcha. Ọla ọcha. Nye m ngaji ahụ na-acha ọlaọcha ọlaọcha. Nye m ngaji ahụ. Ngaji simply means spoon. We know spoon is always silver. And you can say, nye m ngaji ahụ na-acha ọlaedo. Ọ bụ, nye m ngaji ahụ nwere aka ndụ. That which means maybe the handle of the spoon is green, but the spoon itself is like the silver. You know. Okay. Then orange color. Orange color. orange, just the way it is in English, is oroma. We did it last time, fruits, and we need them. So, oroma, oroma. Nyemu, nyemu, aqua hanacha oroma, oroma. I'm place orange color. Okay, orange color. Hmm. Let's go. What else again? What am I forgetting? Brown, brown, brown. Maybe it's being referred to as aja aja. Aja aja. Brown is referred to as aja aja because sand is that brown, but not all sand is brown. We have white clay, red clay, but the color of, then if it's white, we know it's already white, and red is red, but aja aja, brown. Brown is being referred to aja aja. Nyemu efere ahụ na-acha aja aja. Nyemu efere ahụ na-acha aja aja. Give me that place that it is brown. Give me the plate that it is brown. Okay. Pink. Pink. Uhie Ocha. Uhie Ocha. Uhie Ocha. That simply means pink. Uhie Ocha. Nyemu nyemu okpu ahụ na-acha uhie ọcha uhie ọcha. Nyemu okpu ahụ. Okpu simply means cap. So give me that cap that is pink in color. Nyem okpu ahụ na-acha uhie ọcha uhie ọcha. Guys, I hope you really loved today's class. If you got anything in it, guys, let me know in the comment section. And did I not say any color here? I mean, I did not mention all colors. There are other colors, but these are the ones that we use frequently and popularly known also colors. But we have other mixed color and it. Unless I may forget, purple, purple, purple. Okay, guys, let me just leave that as ihe omume. Let it be an assignment to my viewers. Do you know what purple is? Or do you care to know? Research about it. Know it. Tell someone also in the comment section. Let us all learn together. So tell me what purple color is and other colors. Find out other colors that we did not mention here. Let us learn in the comment section. So my people, I got W Bandoma. God Mboza. Thanks for the support. I so much appreciate that. I had to guys all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.